Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Brother printer DCP-195C, as you can see. And now I'm gonna show you how to change screen LCD brightness contrast. So, how to change contrast on this LCD small screen. So firstly, open settings, then scroll down, find your initial setup, click OK, scroll down again and find here LCD contrast, click OK, and here you will see dark and light. So choose one of these options. I like light mode. As you can see, text is more visible in the light mode. So choose it, click OK and OK. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.